Welcome to JC Wealth Solution. Hello, and welcome back to JC Wealth Solution. Today, we are diving into a fascinating and often overlooked area of investment, fine wine. You might be wondering, can wine really be a lucrative investment? The answer is a resounding yes, and we're here to show you how. So, grab a glass of your favorite vintage, sit back, and let's explore the world of building wealth by investing in fine wine. The allure of fine wine, a brief history. To understand why fine wine can be such a profitable investment, it's essential to appreciate its rich history. Wine has been produced and enjoyed for thousands of years, with ancient civilizations like the Egyptians and Greeks recognizing its value. However, it wasn't until the last few centuries that wine began to be viewed as a collectible and investable asset. The concept of investing in wine can be traced back to the 18th century in France, particularly in the Bordeaux region. Wealthy collectors and connoisseurs began to buy and store wines from esteemed vineyards, recognizing that the value of these wines would increase over time. This historical perspective helps us understand why fine wine is seen as both a cultural treasure and a valuable commodity. Understanding the fine wine market. Before we dive into the specifics of investing in fine wine, it's crucial to understand the market. The fine wine market operates differently from traditional stock or real estate markets. Here are some key points to consider. 1. The primary market involves direct sales from vineyards, while the secondary market consists of auctions and sales from private collectors and merchants. 2. Market performance. Historically, fine wine has shown consistent growth, often outperforming traditional investments like stocks and bonds. Over the past decade, the LiveX Fine Wine 1000 Index, a benchmark for the fine wine market, has seen impressive returns. 3. Each vintage from a renowned vineyard produces a finite number of bottles, and once these are consumed, they are gone forever. This scarcity drives demand, especially as the wines age and improve in quality. Why invest in fine wine? Now that we understand the market, let's explore why fine wine is a compelling investment. 1. Unlike stocks or real estate, wine is a tangible asset with its own unique market dynamics, often uncorrelated with traditional investments. 2. While stock prices can fluctuate wildly due to economic and political events, fine wine prices usually experience steady, gradual growth. 3. This can make it an attractive investment from a tax perspective. 4. Owning a collection of rare and valuable wines can be a source of pride and pleasure. How to start investing in fine wine. Ready to start your journey into fine wine investment? Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. 1. Educate yourself. Knowledge is power, especially in the world of fine wine. Begin by learning about different wine regions, grape varieties, and vintages. Books, online courses, and wine tasting events can be valuable resources. Familiarize yourself with key terms and concepts such as terroir appellation and wine ratings. 2. Set a budget. Determine how much you are willing to invest in fine wine. Keep in mind that this should be money you can afford to lock away for several years, as fine wine is a long-term investment. Your budget will guide your purchasing decisions and help you build a diversified wine portfolio. 3. Choose a storage solution. Proper storage is crucial for maintaining the quality and value of your wine. Wine should be stored in a temperature-controlled environment with stable humidity levels. You can choose to store your wine at home in a wine cellar or use a professional wine storage facility. Many investors opt for professional storage due to the assurance of optimal conditions and security. 4. Buy wisely. When purchasing fine wine, focus on reputable vineyards and highly rated vintages. Look for wines that have a track record of appreciating in value. Bordeaux, Burgundy, and Napa Valley are regions known for producing investment-grade wines. Use resources like wine rating guides and auction results to make informed decisions. 5. Consider wine funds and platforms. If you're not comfortable selecting individual bottles, consider investing in a wine fund or using an online wine investment platform. Wine funds pool investors' money to buy and manage a portfolio of fine wines. Online platforms like VinoVest and Cult Wines offer access to expert advice and easy management of your wine investments. The role of wine auctions. Wine auctions play a significant role in the fine wine market. Here's what you need to know. 1. Auction houses. Reputable auction houses like Sotheby's, Christie's, and Bonhams regularly hold wine auctions. These events offer opportunities to purchase rare and valuable wines that may not be available elsewhere. Auction houses often provide detailed catalogs with information about each lot, helping you make informed decisions. 2. Bidding strategies. When participating in an auction, research the wines you're interested in and determine their market value beforehand. During the auction, bid strategically and avoid getting caught up in bidding wars. 3. Online auctions. In addition to traditional auctions, many auction houses now offer online auctions. These platforms provide a convenient way to participate in wine auctions from anywhere in the world. Online auctions often feature a wide range of wines, from affordable options to high-end rarities. The future of fine wine investment. The future of fine wine investment looks promising, with several trends and developments shaping the market. 1. Emerging wine regions. While Bordeaux and Burgundy have long dominated the fine wine market, emerging regions like China, Argentina, and South Africa are gaining recognition. These regions produce high-quality wines that offer new investment opportunities. 2. Technology and innovation. Advances in technology are transforming the wine industry. Blockchain, for example, can enhance transparency and combat counterfeiting. Online platforms make it easier for investors to buy, sell, and manage their wine portfolios. 3. Sustainable and organic wines. As consumers become more environmentally conscious, sustainable and organic wines are growing in popularity. Investing in producers committed to sustainable practices can align with ethical values and appeal to a broader market. 4. Market globalization. The globalization of the wine market continues to expand with increasing demand from Asia, particularly China. This globalization boosts market liquidity and provides more opportunities for investors. Cheers to your investment journey. Investing in fine wine is a unique and rewarding way to build wealth. It combines the pleasures of wine appreciation with the potential for significant financial returns. By educating yourself, diversifying your portfolio, and staying informed about market trends, you can make informed decisions and enjoy the benefits of this fascinating investment. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of fine wine investment. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow wine enthusiasts, and subscribe to JC Wealth Solution for more insights into unique investment opportunities. Cheers to your success and happy investing.